This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the Monster Energy Zero Sugar Lando Norris edition. This is the first time, if I remember correctly, that I will try out this particular energy drink. I'm usually not the biggest fan of the zero sugar, sugar-free versions of those. But the Monsters, well, some of them were actually okay. I think the Valentino Rossi Zero version is okay. The regular one is one of my favorites in terms of energy drinks overall. But there are some zero energy drinks that are awful. I had some Rockstar Zero, like non-sugar energy drinks, and they were terrible. Let's see how this one here is now. Lando Norris. He won the last year's championship, 2025. Let's take a look at the ingredients list right here. Pause if you want to read any of that. Pause if you want to read the nutrition table right here and any of the additional information down here. This is from 2024 it seems, and therefore he is not only a Formula 1 winner, but also a Formula 1 world champion now. Let's see what this current upcoming season is going to bring, though I hope that somebody else takes the crown next time. There also was a Lewis Hamilton monster for a long time, but I guess since he switched to Ferrari, he's too good for energy drinks now, and now he's making some advertisement for some AI bullshit. I don't know. Let's take a look at this stuff here. Now, crack the can open. But I guess they're all making ads for some AI bullshit right now, right? Some sort of bursting bubble stock market bullshit. I don't even know. It smells citrusy. It smells citrusy, sort of similar to the Valentino Rossi one. Maybe it's AI generated Valentino Rossi one in actual neon yellow this time. Scent-wise it's okay. Let's pour some into the glass right here. It looks like antifreeze, which always looks tasty. It looks nice. Looks very similar to what it looks like can-wise. Yeah, scent-wise. Oh, it does remind me of Haribo Troppi Frutti. Yeah, some sort of sort of fruit-ish flavored candy. This is what it reminds me of scent-wise. So, looks-wise, it looks energetic. Scent-wise, it's quite alright. It has got this sort of fruity, citrusy smell to it. Let's see what it does taste of. Oh, that's surprisingly good. It reminds me a lot of the Haribo Troppi Frutti. If you have had Haribo Troppi Frutti, please let me know in the comment section if you like them or not. I think they got a lot worse over the years. Nowadays they're just a shadow of their former self, but this really reminds me of it. Not really a terrible aftertaste coming from that as of yet either. I think it does have a fruity scent to it, a fruity flavor, this sort of jelly, fruit, sweet stuff. I like it. I think it actually does taste better out of the glass. When you have it out of the can, it does have a certain artificial scent to it almost. Maybe it sort of mixes the scent and the flavor, and something comes out of it that is not all that great. But when you pour it, that's not too bad. A lot better than I expected. And zero sugar. Yeah, zero sugar. That's nice. Let's hope that the sweetness here don't give me cancer. No, that's really good. It does have a citrusy scent to it. a vibrant color, a decent, sweet fruit candy flavor. I can't really make out any particular fruit, to be honest. They usually taste all the same. Some weird sort of generic mix that they use. They just give them different colors usually and then say that, oh, this tastes of this and this tastes of this, and in the end it all tastes the same. I have to say that I like this one, and I would give this actually a 7 out of 10. I do like it, maybe even a 7.5. Yeah, I'm going to give this particular energy drink a 7.5 out of 10. Now, if you've had this before, or if you want to try this out, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you have had it, if you liked it or not. And let me know what you think this tastes of, because for me it's troppi frutti. Yeah. In any case, if you've got a question or a video suggestion, leave it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then, bye bye.